tracked you down. Hey, everybody says you're the man, the final piece to my master plan. You got my world in the palm of your hand. Well, I know that you got it, come on and just sell it. Got the cash up in my pocket, you know I gotta get it. Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see. I got my money and you got what I need. Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? Hey, don't even think about telling me now. It's only 20 minutes till the show. Hey, mister, turn it over, let's go. No, I ain't gonna need a receipt. Just make sure that it looks like me, so the bouncer don't call the police. And don't tell my daddy stole the keys to his caddy. Don't dilly-dally, I gotta get the hell out of this alley. Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see. I got my money and you got what I need. Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID?
you're living, yet these doubts have drawn your soul. I'm promising God loves. This is what I've learned from you. Once we stood just like two hearts, yet these doubts have drawn your soul. I wonder will we be up to the legion once we heard. I wonder if we will see each other flying as to unseen birds. I thought you were lost in the depth where lovers meet. One last smile and fingers crossed is how you left the lovers see. I wonder will we be up to the legion once we heard. I wonder if we will see each other flying as to unseen birds. Burn, let them all fade away. Yet this memory remains stuck in my bones and my brain. I try to make it burn, let them all fade away. Yet this memory remains stuck in my bones and my brain. I try to make it burn, let them all fade away. Yet this memory remains stuck in my bones and my brain. I try to make it burn, let them all fade away. Yet this memory remains stuck in my bones and my brain. I
fire for a heart. I'm not scared of the dark. You've never seen it look so easy.
I got a river for a soul, and baby you're a boat. Baby you're the only reason.
If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left. The shell of a girl who'd never be your best.
Oh, if I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun. You taught me how to be someone, yeah.
All my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me.
All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down.
All my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me. All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down.
Nobody, nobody can drag me down. Nobody can drag me. Got a fire for a heart, I'm not scared of the dark. You never seen it look so easy.
I got a river for a soul, and baby you're a boat. Baby you're my only reason.
If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left. The shell of a man who could never be his best.
If I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun.
You taught me how to be someone, yeah.
All my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me.
All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down. Nobody can drag me down. Nobody can drag me.
All my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me.
All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me
What's up guys, this is Kurt and that was Megan and Sam singing Drag Me Down. If you liked it, it's on iTunes, so I'm going to put a link to that down below. And also the cool airwheel things we were writing are from theairwheelusa.com. I'll put their link also down below because they're a bunch of cool people and the airwheels are a ton of fun to ride. Don't believe me? Right, here are some behind the scenes from this video for you to check out. And last thing, Megan is going on tour really soon, so I'll put all the links for that also down below. Go show the love, guys, and as always, more stuff coming soon, so I will see you.
Something about a truck in a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, and time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so what's the big deal? Something about a truck in a farmer's field, and something about beer sitting on ice after a long hard day. Makes it taste just right on that drop tailgate on a summer night. There's something about beer sitting on ice. There's something about a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips. In that farmer's field will make a boy miss. Something about a girl in a red sundress, and there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more on that drop tailgate back behind the corn. The most natural thing you ever felt before. There's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more, and there's something about a truck something by the creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need no clothes to just hang 'em on a limb. There's something by the creek around 2 a.m. And there's something by the truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing about it, look. There's something about a truck. Ain't nothing about it, look. There's something about a truck.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, your Sergeant Barrow, while to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin, or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Mary McGill, be my ferry to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on a boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those that praise control of population. Everybody's been there, and I don't mean no vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Destruction leads to a very rough vacation. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Hey, I Sergeant Mary, while the break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Was wird daraus, wenn der Bruno mal tot geht? Wo landen diese Sachen? Wo landen diese Instrumente? Was wird daraus?